the camera's not doing good.
I'm gonna throw it against the wall.
Oh, I got his teeth.
Oh my god, look, he's doing it. He's doing. Look at his teeth, babe.
That is amazing.
Oh, there's a name for that.
Look at that muddy one over there.
He's doing what Dudley does.
Did you get
This
it with
one's
his
rubbing
teeth?
No, I didn't.
Oh, it's
I didn't. I saw it though.
What's it called when they show their teeth and they're like, I don't know if they're, are they just smelling or they're...
Yeah, that just, it's after when they just...
Just take like minute clips at a time.
See, that's a very new bond.
Oh my gosh, he's kidding.
It's quite very young. How old would that one be? Dixon?
Maybe 2 weeks or so.
2, 3 weeks.
Aww.